Hey, we're excited to introduce to you guys our brand new roof prop. So on the pallet, you should be receiving 4 of these beams right here. And we're gonna call these the side beams. And there's 2 of them that will create each side. You should have 2 of these, and then you can have 4 of the sides. On top of that, you'll have 4 L brackets. This is our L bracket. They're nice and in yellow. 4 corner brackets. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add that L bracket. Okay, so that's side beam number 1. So we're gonna go ahead and put together side beam number 2. Okay, at this point, what you wanna do is go ahead and put on your corner brackets. You'll see on the corner plate, there's a long side and a short side. So if you can remember that the long side is always gonna go on the sides or the side beams, whereas the short side of the plate is gonna go where all the notched beams are. So make sure your bolts are pulled in deep enough so you can clear the other carriage bolts. You're gonna get 2 posts identical, and then you'll get 2 wheels identical. That's good. Got it. Pattern. Okay. Roll the whole thing forward, and then we're aiming this mounting process right here for this section of what we call the truck assemblies.
There you go. Right there. Wes, you can knock it in now.
Alright. No.
It's got to come back.
I'll demonstrate what we have to do here to make the prop go up. We simply come here to our crank. You'll notice you hear a ratcheting sound. That's the ratchet working and holding. So if I let go when I went up like that, nothing should happen. So I'm gonna continue to ratchet up. So that's about as steep as you'd want to take this prop. Now lowering it is the reverse, but lowering it actually requires you to be more careful. Because unlike when we took it up, it has the ratcheting mechanism. When we lower it, we have to turn the ratcheting mechanism off. That means if we let go, it free spools, and trust me, you don't want to try and grab that handle while it's free spooling. At this point, now that the prop is assembled, we've brought it up and down, we know the system's working. Now we're gonna go ahead and load it up with wood. All right, well, we got it together. We've got our 2x6s in, 12 feet long each. You'll notice that we go ahead and we double stack them towards the end. This is what's gonna create our walkway. Yep. Here, we'll bump this one up too and see if we just... Thank you for purchasing a roof prop. We hope you go out there and train really hard on it and you get a ton of use out of it. Again, all you gotta replace now, 3 pieces of CDX or plywood and some 2x6s as you hopefully don't cut through them, but we know the Proby's gonna get it.